Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for prawns with garlic mushrooms. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Thanks for watching. So we have our ingredients. We have prawns, sliced mushrooms, chopped onion, garlic, butter, lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil. Now over to a heavy base saucepan, put it onto a medium heat, add some butter and some olive oil. The reason we mix the butter and the olive oil is it stops the butter from burning. Next to that then we're going to add our sliced mushrooms, the diced onion, crushed garlic. Give that a good stir around, let it cook for about 5 minutes until the onions and mushrooms are starting to soften. Now that our onions and mushrooms are cooked, we're going to add our shelled prawns. Again, give them a stir around, get them all coated in the garlic butter. Now that our prawns are cooked, we're going to add some seasoning. So some salt, some freshly crushed black pepper. Give that a stir around. It's time to serve. I have served mine with some homemade garlic bread. I will leave a link in the description below for it. So folks, as I said, quick, simple, effective and a great lunch dish. Now if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my further videos.